Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into another class guide, featuring the Rogue. If you're looking to master stealth, precision, and devastating attacks from the shadows, you've come to the right place. Get ready to sharpen your skills and become proficient in both PvP and PvE as we break down everything you need to know about playing the Rogue effectively. Stay till the end for some tips and combos to maximize your gameplay. Talents. Instinct increases your action speed by 50%. It affects opening doors, chest, etc. We only recommend using this in solo mode. Vengeance increased damage when you are using enhanced skill can stack up to 5 times. We don't recommend using this talent. Allows you to double jump. Always pick this one. You can also use this talent to jump on certain places without using dash. This talent gives +1 attribute for everyone in your team. Very recommended when playing in party. It's worth 15 stats for 1 talent. Allows you to go invisible for 8 seconds, 16 if enhanced. Very recommended. Test invisibility with will stats for buff duration. Feels like nothing happened. This skill allows you to dash in any direction and has invincibility frame. Another very recommended skill. Resets cooldown when used enhanced mode. Kick silenced enemy when hit by 1.5 seconds, 3 seconds if enhanced. We personally don't use this because the hitboxes is not that good. If used against monster, target gets stunned instead. Throws 3 dagger in a direction. If enhanced mode is used, daggers will penetrate the enemies. Very recommended also if you run with Harris build. Note, you will not gain energy if you don't use Harris Mastery, and no poison if you do not have venomous skill. Note, enhanced dagger will pierce through targets. allows you to steal random item from your enemy's inventory. The skill activation will not break invincibility. If you successfully stole something, you will see your character performing this animation. While this one indicates that there are no more to steal. You can also steal from monster, but only once. But you can't steal from crows. And goblins, like, come on, why steal if he gives free stuff? But you can steal from this one. Ultimate skill. 7. This skill deals ton of damage even if not in enhanced mode. Good for damage trading and assassination. Normal mode only do single strike. While enhanced mode does 4 strike. Blade Dance offers 6 strike of medium damage in normal mode and has invincibility frame. Good for dealing final damage while dodging incoming attacks. Normal mode. 6 strike and invincibility frame. Enhanced mode. 9 strike and an invincibility frame. Venomous has passive and active ability. Passive. Every attack will inflict poison to the target. Weapon hit. Bare hands. Throwing knives. And one-handed bow. Active skill. Detonate all poison inflicted to the target. No. More stack, more damage. Enhanced skill. All enemy that has poison stack will release poison cloud that will also inflict poison to anyone who touched them. No. The more target you have that has poison, the more poison cloud you will release. Masteries. This mastery was not working properly before, but it's fixed now. Initial damage is 14, raised to 15 after target got poison status. Yeah, you gain energy. Gained movement speed even threshold doesn't achieve. Tips. Using double jump and dash, you perform a parkour and allows you to reach your target faster. You can loot items in the ground while invisible, without breaking the invisible type. Using Envy with Tier 2 Assassinate Mastery will enhance your dual dagger skill damage greatly. But check this out. Using dual dagger skill while jumping deals more damage for some reason without a damage boost. Use auto run feature when chasing enemy, then use dual dagger skill to damage and close the distance. Always target the busiest, isolated enemy. You can use double jump and rapier to jump on mob's head and kill them without a sweat. Dash, rapier skill, and blade dance have invincibility frame. Meaning you can take any hits without getting damage, including Pain Warden's ability. Combos. That's all from us. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more guides and tips. See you in the underworld of gold and glory.